Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's continue talking about scripting in Maximo. We'll talk about warning and errors. So in Maximo 7.5, we used errors to get them by setting error group, error key, and params variables. So before writing a script, you have to create message group and message key under database configuration application. So showing error message in version 7.5 was like this. If MBO, this is an example, is not none, and before MBO get date. Okay, here we set our error group and error key. This is also another example. If work priority here, after getting this integer greater than 15, okay, you could set this error group and error key. This is for version 7.5. So setting those doesn't stop the execution, as the execution will continue till the end of the script, and then it will check the flags and throw the error. Often this may not be the expected behavior, so to fix this issue, in 7.6, the global variable service can be used to throw errors and warning, like this one, service.error, simple, PO, and the error is no vendor here. Okay, this is an example also. If build get date, we set service.error. This is our error, BM error and BM error key. Okay, so for warning message, showing warning message can be done fairly easily without automation script. Say you want to show a warning to the user when they save a BO with no lines. To this, first we need to create a warning message from message dialog in database configuration application. Say we name it no lines under message group PO. We create an object launch point save event and add and update. So the code we will see below. This in Python code to validate BO line count and C serves a global variable to show the warning. Okay, so if MBO would get MBO set BO line count equal 0, and there's no interaction here, we will set warning that there is no line. Okay, so for warning and errors, service variable is very important, and we can use it easily, like we did in this presentation. So that's all for this one. See you in the next video, and thank you.